She give you two methods. One, the one you can use to command the thief to remain there. If you know that person, you ought to find out who is that person that have stolen from you. You ought to get hold of that person. You want the universe to give that person that have stolen from you back those that you are in the right video.
I have the gift of seeing. That's why people call me the Seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
Guys, in this video, I will be teaching you powerful method you can use to command the thief. If you are the kind of person, you notice that thieves normally come and disturb your house, thieves normally come and steal from your business place, or somebody have stolen from you, and you ought to know that person. You ought to find out who is that person that have stolen from you. You ought to get hold of that person. You want the universe to give that person that have stolen from you back those that you are in the right video, you are in the right channel. In this video, I will be give you two methods. One, the one you can use to command the thief to remain there. If a thief should enter your house or enter your business place, as long as you do this thing there, that thief will remain blind. That thief will be blind, will not be able to leave that place. This enable that thief to be blind. There is one we do for people that if anybody comes to your house to thief, that person will sweep. If you need that one, contact me. We will be to anywhere. But this one I'm going to teach you for free. And how this one works is that if somebody should come to your place to steal, like your business place or your house, once that person yesterday steal anything, that person will remain blind. And that person will not be able to keep that thing down until you come and set that person free. Until you come and set that person free. And the second one I will teach you is if somebody have already stolen from you, you want the universe to punish that person for you. Come, let me give you the solution. Who there is Zuzu? Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Remember, your happiness is my concern. I just want you to be happy. That's just all. Just want this world to be a better place. But sometimes the universe is not fair. Sometimes, but may God have mercy on us. Now, what do? Get alligator pepper. After you have gotten alligator pepper, remove everything inside the alligator pepper. You can see, right? Remove everything inside this alligator pepper. You get, remove everything inside the alligator pepper. Just make the alligator pepper empty. Remove everything inside the alligator pepper. After you have removed everything inside the alligator, the next thing you are going to get is that you are going to get a baby rat, normal house rat. That's mouse. You know mouse, right? You are going to get a mouse. After you have gotten a mouse, then you are going to the one that normally stay at home. Mouse, the one that normally stay at home, not the one that stay in the bush. House mouse. Get a mouse. As in those one that normally disturb your sleep while you are sleeping. Get a mouse. Then the one that's a newly born mouse, the one that they have no it has not opened. I know when they give birth to a mouse, the eyes are still 100% closed. It's after sometimes that the eyes open. The ones that the eyes are not open, either alive or dead, get it. After you have gotten that mouse, the one that the eyes has not open, if you use, don't ask me in the comment section. There are some people that can ask questions. Some of them will even come to my WhatsApp. I'll be bugging me with some unnecessary message. If the eyes have opened, you cannot use it. You only use the one that the eyes has not opened. You only use the one that the eyes are not open. If the eyes have opened, you cannot use it. Okay? Get the one that the eyes have not opened. Then you are going to get a black thread. Then you are going to get a black cloth, a black pieces of material. Now, that baby rat that have not opened the eye, whether it's dead or alive, does not matter. Then you are going to put it inside. If you are buying alligator pepper, you buy the one that is big. You know, there are smaller one that are bigger. Buy the one that is big so that the bag will be like enough to contain that baby. So you push the baby rat inside the baby mouse inside the chicken. After you have put the baby mouse inside the chicken, then that black thread, that black cloth, you cut the black cloth, use it to wrap the whole body of this. After wrapping the whole body of this, then you now after you have used that black cloth to wrap it, or before you use the black cloth to wrap it. You can get one seed, not more than one seed. One seed of alligator pepper, you hold it like this with your top finger and the middle finger, the tallest finger at this thumb. You hold it like this, put on the one seed of alligator pepper that as I'm doing this, I want if I anywhere that this thing, anywhere they bury this, anybody that come to stay in that person will be as blind as this baby rat inside there. No, anybody, the person will not be able to drop that and the person will not be able to do that. That person will remain blind until I set that person free, until the person that buried it set that person free, until I speak the word. When I don't make it pray on it, you pray on the seed, how you want everything to work over. When I don't pray on the seed, then you put the seed inside, let it together with the baby rat. Then you now cover it. But this one is not necessary, but it's also sometimes it's good you do it for it's not everybody that has gifted hand. There are some seed I can give somebody sad now, that sad will do what I said to do. But another person will give the same sand to that person and it will not work. So sometimes it's not just about knowledge, it's not just about the knowledge, it's about gifted hand as well. I think then I can see the vision, but I don't have the power. But I have that much power. After my father died, that was when I got the gifted hands, then I now fully come into this. So it's a different thing to sing, it's a different thing to solve. It's a different thing to have the knowledge, it's a different thing to have the gifted hands. You get so if you know you are not the kind of person that is normally work putting with your hand like that, so it's good to use that one seed of alligator pepper, make that prayer, you put on it. Then use the black cloth cover it. After you have used the black cloth cover it, then you now carry the black thread. As you are tying it like this, see the way I'm tying it, right? You go forward. You keep going one direction. You tie it as you are tying it, you keep making the prayer. Anywhere this thing is buried, any thief that come and steal there, that thief will be blind. That thief will not be able to see. Nobody can see through black cloth. As a result, the person will not be able to. No one can see through black cloth. No one can see through black cloth. As a result, as I'm tying this thing, anywhere this is buried, that person will not be able to see. So as you are tying it like this, then you now turn it like this down. Then you now tie it like this. That is in two different directions now. The first direction is like this, and the second direction is now turn it to stand. Then you now tie it like this. Tie it together until that thread covers everything. Now, once the thread have covered everything, the black thread have covered everything, then anybody that want to use it now, the person is going to bury this in the entrance to that place. If it is your business place, the door that leads inside your place, you bury it in there, the entrance. If it is your house, the gate, the major gate that leads to you, are buried in the gate there. And once that person enter that place, that person will remain blind. And meanwhile, this one work in a place that has fence. Something like farm that they can follow any direction to enter, it doesn't work. But as long as it has that place has a particular place they normally enter 24 hours, even the person follow another place to enter, it will hold that person because he followed the wrong direction. You should have a particular energy flow where people goes in and come out. Do you get Abby? So that's what you do. You bury this one there. It work 100%. 100%. That thief will remain blind until you say that thief. I'm telling you. Then the second method you can use, if somebody have stolen something from you and you want the universe to punish that person for you, Abra say let me drop it here. But before then, like this video, just like the video, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important videos from me. And if you need this, chat me up on WhatsApp. The reason why I would want to drop this here is that this is a very punishment spell. And if you notice in my channel, I hardly drop some punishment spell like that because people will abuse it. So if you really need this, chat me up on WhatsApp. I will teach you how to do it. And remember, I'm not going to teach it to you for free because the person that taught it to me said that if you teach this person this one free, nobody, anybody I'm teaching it to, because when they were teaching it to me, I have to pay a cock. It's anybody I'm teaching it to, either the person will give me money, they say take this money for the cock so that this thing will work for me, or the person will buy a cock and breed the cock for you to make it work. So anybody I'm teaching it to, the person have to buy a cock or pay for cock. You will narrate or say this is the money for a cock so that it will work for you. That's the punishment. Once you do that one, anybody that is owing you or anybody that I have stolen from you that is yet to return that item, that person will see shady. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, okay? This is always here. Bye for now.